All right, so let's go ahead and expand on our Hello World program. So I opened up my JAL edit and I've got a blank screen here, and I'm going to go open my Hello World program that I did a little bit earlier. Let's go ahead and open that. And we want to do something a little more exciting than flash a red LED on and off every second. So let's add a little variety to it. Let's go ahead and now turn on our green LED and then turn it off every half second. Okay, so we're going to add that to the end of this program. So again, Control and Space Bar, and we're going to choose the green LED this time, and we're going to turn it on, and then Control and Space Bar, and we will wait a half second in this case, so that's 500 milliseconds, and then turn our green LED off. And wait another 500 milliseconds. It's that simple. So now what's going to happen here, on our forever loop, the red LED is going to come on, it's going to be on for a second, then it will turn off for 1 second. Then our green LED will be on for a half a second, and our green LED will be off for another half a second. Then our loop will end. That means it comes back around to the top, and we turn the red LED on again. And let's download this to our microcontroller, see if it all works. Remember, we have to see that black screen. That means it is indeed programming. And I shut my microcontroller off, unplug the USB cable, and turn it on again, and I see my LED lights following the exact pattern that I programmed it to do. One more thing we can do is turn two lights on at once. So let's try this. We're going to turn on the red LED and the yellow LED at the same time. So we're going to turn that one on, and we will turn the yellow LED off at the same time the red LED is off. If we downloaded this and ran the program, the red LED and yellow LED would come on for a second and then go off for a second. The green LED would come on for a half second and then go off for a half a second. One other interesting thing we could do is we could, every time the red LED is on, the yellow LED could be off. And when the red LED is off, we can turn the yellow LED on. All right, so now we've got a more interesting pattern. So I want you to spend some time, come up with a real interesting pattern, adjust this time. Some interesting patterns can be created with millisecond waits around 100 milliseconds, so that's a real short period of time. So you'll get a real quick flash. So play with your time and play with which LEDs you turn on when. Also here, this is important, we want to save our old Hello World program because that's something we created earlier. So now we're going to take our Hello World program that we just modified, and we're going to do a save as on that. And let's go ahead and call this HelloWorld2, and we'll push save. So now we've got HelloWorld2. Have fun programming.